If this is your very first time here, go ahead and hit that button below if you have not yet so that you are updated every time that I drop new videos. Today I am going to be doing a full face of Colourpop. I know my last video I did an affordable makeup look which was all Colourpop and Maybelline. This one we're going all Colourpop with a few Maybelline exceptions. Just a few. Small stuff. Big stuff is going to be Colourpop. So eyes, lips, foundation, highlighter, concealer, contour, powder, all Colourpop today. So I did get their Chasing Rainbows palette, which is their palette from their holiday collection this year. I have actually tried to film, or did film, this video 2 other times, and it just didn't work out. The creativity was just not on point that day. Let's just be honest. But I got it out for y'all now, and I'm so excited to present this holiday look. If you guys want to see how I came up with this whole look using Colourpop products, go ahead and keep watching, and I'll see y'all at the end. Okay guys, so today we are going to be doing a full face of Colourpop. I did get the palette from their holiday collection, which is called Chasing Rainbows. This is the palette. I've attempted to record this video multiple times, so she's not brand new. I have been dipping in her quite a bit, but you know, it's all good. At least we getting it done now. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eye first, and I'm priming my eye with the Colourpop No Filter Concealer, and this is in Light 14. The first color that we're gonna go into in this palette is Prism. We're gonna go ahead and dip into that and put that in the crease. It's a pretty dark color, but it's not black, you know? It's like, it's lighter than black, which is kind of weird, but yeah. And we are doing a halo today, so we're gonna like round out this color around the lid. I'm leaving that like that because we're about to blend it out with another color. I'm going to go ahead and blend out this color with Keep Cool, and that is like a purple, a matte purple color, and I'm really just using circular motions on top of both colors to blend them together. So now we have a very nice gradient of color there. I'm gonna go ahead and use my wipe to clean this up because I want that to be sharp today. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease, or not really cut my crease, but we're doing a halo, so I'm gonna put a little concealer on the lid, and I'm just gonna put a little bit on there, and I'm gonna do that so I know where the crease needs to be cut. Then with a brush, a detail brush, I'm gonna go ahead and clean that up, shape it out the way I need it to be. I'm gonna use a brush that is relatively clean, and I'm gonna go over that line and just, you know, blend it out. One thing I did want to mention is I'm not putting any of that darker shadow on this, because if you do that, then that shadow is going to connect or be on top of the concealer. Then it's gonna turn dark. Then it's gonna be hard to clean that up. So yeah, make sure it's clean. Now I'm gonna go ahead and dip into the color Not Playing, which is a beautiful like pink shimmer color, and I'm gonna place this on the outer parts of our halo, and that is such a beautiful creamy color, Lord. Yes, we need is what we need. So I'm gonna take the brush that I used to blend before. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that as well, and I'm adding a little bit of Prism on the corners, just to make sure I don't lose that dark color. So in the middle of our halo, I'm gonna get into Eclipse. I'm gonna go ahead and place that right in the center of my halo. So I'm placing this in the middle, but I'm also just trying to make sure that it's blended as well. We want this to be a seamless gradient of color. That's our halo, ladies and gentlemen. She cute or whatever. Now I'm gonna go ahead and line my eye. This is the only thing that I don't have that's color, well, that and mascara. That's the only thing I don't have that's Colourpop, so I'm lining it with my Maybelline Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner, and then I'm gonna put on some mascara, and this is the It Superhero Mascara. Then I'm gonna pop on some lashes, and the lashes today are from Kiss. They're, you know, a luxury collection. Bougie, bougie, bougie. I mean, you know, we saving coins and we being bougie. So we're gonna go ahead and do face. And while I was, you know, transitioning from doing the eyes to doing the face, I realized I didn't have no earrings on. I'm here looking basic, but it's cool, you know, it's all good. We're good now, you know, gotta do the most. Even if it's just earrings, you know, we gotta pop, because I'm super chill today. I got on my sleep shirt. I'm just, y'all, it's been a week, a month, a day. Been a lot, so excuse me. So I don't have a Colourpop primer, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put on this e.l.f. primer, and this is the Illuminating Face Primer. Now, so if y'all can see that glow, but she cute. So today we are gonna be using the Colourpop No Filter stick. So this is the foundation stick that they have. And my color is in Deep Dark 185 Warm. So I'm just gonna go ahead and draw this all over the face. You might get a little crazy with it, have a little fun, but you know, you get the gist. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out with my e.l.f. multi-blending brush. I gotta wash the wig, because I don't have my scarf on right now. So, you know, I ain't trying to tint it with foundation. And of course, to highlight and to contour my face, I'm using Colourpop concealer. So to highlight, I'm using Dark 46, and to contour, I'm using Deep Dark 58. So now I'm going to take my Real Techniques brush and blend out my contour first. So now I'm going to go ahead and blend out everything else with my beauty blender. So for powder today, we are going to be using the Colourpop No Filter Setting Powder, and this is in Banana. And this finally was not sold out. I was able to get my hands on it. It was sold out for the longest, so I was pretty excited. And I'm kind of baking under the eye, but I don't want to bake anywhere else, so I'm just pressing that powder into the skin. And then I like to press the powder into my skin with my beauty blender instead of like dusting it off. And you know, with me having oily skin, I feel like that helps more for it to last all day. But you do got to make sure that your blender is nice and damp, or you're gonna be looking real cakey. I'm just saying. So I don't necessarily have a contour powder for Colourpop, but I do have an eyeshadow that would work. I am gonna dip into my Shayla by Colourpop Perception Palette. Oh, that matched my eyes, honey. Well, that's cute or whatever. I'm gonna dip into this, and the color Played Out is like the perfect contour color. So I'm gonna use that to contour. This is like the perfect brown, deep brown color to contour for my complexion. So I think it's perfect. It was a little too dark to contour my nose with, so I'm gonna mix it with Culture to contour the nose. So we're gonna go ahead into under eyes first before we get to highlight and lips. So we're gonna dip back into the palette for under eyes, and I kind of want this to be close to the lash line to follow like the cut that we have. I'm gonna dip back into Prism and place that on the bottom lash line. I'm gonna go into Keep Cool just a little bit underneath, just so we get a little bit of the purple in there. I'm actually just gonna mix these colors instead of putting it underneath, just so we get a hint of purple. Y'all see the difference between this one and this one? This one look real black, this one look like it got a little color to it. Yeah, that's what we want. So for liner, I am going black. We're gonna go into the Maybelline Gel Liner. I'm gonna put on mascara, and then I'm gonna go into another color in my tear ducts. So I am gonna go ahead and dip into Eclipse and put that in tear ducts. Something inside of me is telling me to add that pink color here somewhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip into that and put that like on my lower lash line, just real close to the tear duct, but not on it. See, that's all we need. Yeah, I like that. All right, so y'all know that I love me some Colourpop highlighters. So you already know that I'm gonna use one today. So my favorite one is Shayla by Colourpop, which is in Pose. I'm gonna go ahead into that, and we just gonna highlight it up. And we're gonna get a little carried away today. Let's go ahead and highlight the chin and up here a little bit, you know, just get a little shine everywhere. Okay, y'all, she is snatched right now. Lips. What we gonna do? What we gonna do? What we gonna do? So I think we're aiming towards more of a nude lip, obviously, right now. So I'm gonna go back into this Ellery by Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip in Hennaways. I use this all the time. And then I'm gonna go into Quickie, which is Shayla by Colourpop as well. So we're just gonna keep the lips nude since we're doing a lot with the eye. And this is the finished look. We're done. All right, love, so this is the finished look. I am really feeling this look, this situation, this holiday situation. That's why I had to change my shirt, you know, because it's the holidays. Can't be wearing no raggedy gray shirt for the holidays, you know. I had to pull it together a little bit. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Comment below if you want to. Hit subscribe below if you have not yet. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.